This instructional video will guide you through the powerful Payroll feature in the software. To configure Payroll, go to the Accounting drop-down menu and select Payroll Configuration. On this screen, you'll be able to specify the payroll, income, and deduction settings for each active employee by highlighting a cell and clicking Edit, or by double-clicking on that cell. For deductions, tax tables are included with the software for federal taxes for the United States and Canada. To use one of these tables, select Based on Deduction Table when editing a deduction cell, and choose the table that applies to this employee. Other deductions can be set up similarly to the federal and state taxes. You should consult a local CPA or other resource for information on how these deductions should be calculated for your business. Once all of your payroll information has been entered, press OK. At this point, the payroll configuration will be saved. To run payroll, go to the Accounting drop-down menu and select Calculate New Payroll. In the Run Payroll screen, you'll be given three options. The option Run Payroll and Save Results is the option you will want to use when you're ready to start running payroll. This option saves the payroll calculations so you can later run year-end reports for tax purposes. The option Recalculate a Previous Payroll and Save Results is used to correct a previous payroll if a mistake was made. The last option here will allow you to run a practice payroll, which is never saved, but is helpful in determining if payroll has been configured properly. When saving a payroll, you will need to enter the day the employees are being paid into the Pay Date field. And finally, we need to enter the date range of the pay period. The From date will automatically be set to one day after the previous pay period's end date, so we will just enter the To field and press OK. Payroll has now been calculated. Each employee's net pay for the pay period is shown at the bottom of the grid. The rest of the grid shows how this amount was calculated. The net pay is the total of all the employee's income items, shown in green, minus all of the deduction items, shown in red. If you would like to print this payroll, you are given several options on the left side of the screen. One of these options is Print Checks, which allows you to print checks directly through the software to give to your employees. The other options would allow you to print summaries of the payroll to keep for your own records. Once you have finished reviewing the payroll, you may leave this screen. The payroll has already been saved, so it will be included in any year-end reports run during tax season. And we can always view this payroll again by going to Accounting, Payroll Reports, View Delete Previous Payrolls, and then selecting the payroll we are interested in viewing. Since the software prevents you from overlapping payroll dates in accordance with proper payroll practices, if an incorrect payroll is saved, you may need to delete the payroll so that you can run it again. To delete a saved payroll, go to the Accounting drop-down menu, Payroll Reports, and then View Delete Previous Payrolls. This screen lists each payroll that is saved in the software. To delete the most recent payroll, click the Delete Last button and press Yes to confirm. Once you're finished, click OK to return back to what you were doing previously.